Discover a serene retreat just minutes from downtown Houston. This fully renovated 2-bedroom, 1.5-bathroom home is a stunning blend of modern luxury and cozy charm. Step inside to find an extensive renovation, including new insulation, sheetrock, and freshly painted walls. A gorgeous faux stain beam adds a touch of rustic elegance to the space. The kitchen shines with new shaker-style cabinets, machine sprayed for a flawless finish, dolomite countertops with a stylish waterfall edge, and a sleek 16-gauge stainless steel sink. Water-resistant laminate and tile flooring flow seamlessly throughout the home, while the bathrooms have been beautifully upgraded, featuring a luxurious new walk-in shower. Outdoors, enjoy entertaining in style with a new charcoal grill kitchen, perfect for weekend gatherings. Plus, stay cool year-round with efficient mini-split air conditioners.